So go. How come we're not typing that back there, Jack?
Day one's super exciting. I mean, can't put on pads yet, so it's a little a little bit of a bummer. But like when we're able to put on pads, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm so looking forward to hitting people and getting out here and really playing some real football.
Set, go. Underneath. You gotta talk. Let's talk. I haven't heard anything. Let's go. Set.
Ball's coming hot. Quarterback, get it down.
Oh, day one, it's the best. You know, even though it's 2 days, it's long, but I mean, it's like the first day where everyone's out here, you know, working out, getting better with each other, and it's just awesome.
Make it hard now so it's easy in a couple weeks. Set. Good stance. Heel-toe relationship. Drop your butt. Too much chest facing the ground. If that Adidas symbol is looking at the ground, I'm too bent over at the waist, okay? Set. Good. Okay, let's go back the other way. Last one. Open, break, come back. Okay, 3 whistles.
So who's looking to be the main ball carrier next to you in the offense?
All of them. I mean, all of them. I mean, we have so many athletes that can get the ball, catch it in open space, make plays. I mean, it's the only problem for me is we don't have enough balls on the field. You know.
Get here. Good. Other way, set. Get here. Okay, go get a drink. Jog there, jog back, cut.
Go back, play like that. Let's go. My feet. There you go. Oh, that is good stuff. You got it. Get up. Get up. That's how you come. No, I'm hot.